Welcome to our channel Maths Bench. Everybody first in this bench. My videos are helpful to the students who are studying or preparing for the 10th class examinations. In this video I try to revise 1 mark and 2 marks problems which are CCE model problems from the sets. Okay, please watch till end of the video. And one more point here, please watch the sets Venn diagrams video what I created in my channel. I will give the link in the description also and icons. Please watch that too, then you can memorize complete chapter in the short time. Okay, please subscribe my channel for videos and good notifications. Okay, let's start our class. Yeah, here is a problem you got in previous examinations, board examinations. Define finite set and give an example. We know the definition of finite set means what? A set contains finite number of elements, means countable number of elements. A set contains finite number of elements is called as a finite set. Let's take one example. A is equal to countable number of elements A, comma B comma C. It contains three elements in the set, so it is called as a finite set. Okay, infinite set means a set contains infinite number of elements, uncountable number of elements. Then you can write and so on. Okay, next problem. Here the second one, write the subsets of the given set A is equal to A comma B comma C. How many elements are there? There are 3 elements are there. Then you can write how many subsets. You can write here number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power n formula. Here 2 power n value number of elements. How many elements are there? 3 elements are there. So 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So we have to write 8 possible subsets. Let's write the subsets. Subsets is equal to, first we have to write a single element sets called, first one is single one A and second one B and third one C. These are called single element sets which are subsets of the given. Now double, right? A B B C C A combination, A B B C C A. Now first one is A comma B, start with B B comma C, now start with C C comma A, right? These are the 2 element subsets. Now 3 element subsets are A comma B comma C, which has all 3 elements are there, that is only one set, right? And also finally empty set is subset of every set. These are the subsets, total subsets. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the possible subsets. Okay now first single elements, later double elements, later triple elements, finally you have to write pi also. These are the possible elements you can count, you should get 8. Okay, let's go for the next one. Now if it contains 4, next problem, find the subsets of the set B is equal to P Q R S. Right, now we have to find out the subsets of 4 element sets. Now we can write the same formula, number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power n. How many elements are here? 4 elements are there, so 2 to the power 4, 2 power 4 is equal to 16 subsets we have to write. Right, now here first we can write the subsets which are called single element subsets. Follow the order, students. First one P Q R S. Single element sets are completed. Right, now double elements. Now observe the double element sets, how to write in 4 element set. First start with P. Write all the elements which are combined in joining of P. I mean PQ, PR, PS. combination with P. So P comma Q, P comma R and P comma S. This is combination of P. Now and combination with Q, QR, QS, QR and QS. Now combination with R, RS. These are the two element subsets. Now three element subsets. Order P, Q, R. Start with P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Next start with Q, Q, R, S. Q, R, S. Again start with R in a cyclic form. R, S, P. Now in start with S, S, P, Q. Right? Now with 4 element set. These are up to 3. Now 4 elements P, Q, R, S and finally pi. Let's check if any subset is missing, then you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No subset is missed. So this is the complete. These are called as single element subsets and these are called double element subsets. These are triple element subsets and this is 4 element subset and last one is pi. Right? If you have any doubt, please watch this video again, then you can able to understand. Okay, let's go for the next one. When you are writing the subsets, you have to practice more and more. That is not easy to write. Observe the pattern, follow the pattern by using your own examples. Okay, Nana? Now the next problem 4, write the roster form of the given. Roster form is you have to write the elements directly. He given here set builder form. So roster set builder form 2 you have to convert into roster form. Right? What is given set builder form? Given set A is equal to X such that X is a prime factor, prime divisor. Divisor or factor of both are same. Divisor or factor both are equal. So here given divisor means factor. For which number? 36. 36 is equal to 1 table 136 times, 2 table 2 18 times, 3 table 3 12s are, 4 table 4 9s are, 6 table 6 6 are. In these all are the factors. 1 is factor, 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36 all are the factors, but here asked to find out prime factors. A is equal to what are prime numbers? 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime. So A is equal to 2 comma 3. Here one note point we have to follow, students, when you are writing examinations. If you write directly this answer, you will get only half mark only if it is 1 mark problem. Here this work definitely you have to solve beside of the problem only. This is also the part of the given problem. Just for some writing of all the factors like this factorization half mark, and in that if you write direct second answer, that will get as half mark. If you write in rough or if you directly this answer, you will lose half mark. So please this type of factorizations must be solved beside of the problem. Okay, let's go for next one. Now the question number 5, write the roster form of the set B is equal to X such that X is equal to n square minus 1, where n belongs to n natural numbers. Here n you can take here less than or equal to 5. Right? Now this is the given X value which is in the form of n square minus 1. Value of X is equal to n square minus 1. N belongs to natural numbers n less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. So what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values we have to substitute in the formula. X is equal to n square minus 1. Again x is equal to n square minus 1. For third one, n square minus 1. For fourth result, n square minus 1. For fifth result, n square minus 1, students. Right? Here what numbers you have to consider? First one, letter 2, letter 3, letter 4, letter 5. Simple. So 1 square minus 1. 1 square 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now second one, we have to substitute 2. 2 square minus 1. 2 square value 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now third case, 3 square minus 1. 3 square 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Again fourth one, 4 square minus 1. 4 square 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Now the last one, 5 square minus 1. 5 square 25 minus 1. So result is equal to 24. Therefore set B is equal to what we can write? 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. 0, 3, 8, 15, 24 are the given elements for the given set builder form. Okay, next problem. Now the next problem, write the set builder form of a set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. What is a given set? Set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. These are the elements now. Now observe the common relation, common property for all the given elements. Here 1 is, you can write 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 3 square and 4 square, 5 square and 6 square. Right? 1 is 1 square, 4 2 square, 9 3 square, like that and so on up to 36 is 6 square. Isn't it? Now can you notice any common form of the given? Bases are changing but power is same. What is changing that you can consider as a variable? So that is called 1 square value, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So bases are changing, so changing is x. Power is same for all the terms, so x square. Right? Now we can say that x square, this is the form. Now we have to describe about this x. X belongs to natural numbers n because starting value 1 up to how much value? 6. So we can say that x less than or equal to 6. X less than or equal to 6, isn't it? Again all the numbers bases are changing, changing is variable, power is same, so x square. It is form such that now we have to describe about this x. ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది? 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఎక్కడ ఎండ్ అయింది? 6తో ఎండ్ అయింది. 1తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే నెంబర్స్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ కాబట్టి x బిలాంగ్స్ టు n. 6 వరకు తీసుకోవాలి. లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అయితే 6, లెస్ దాన్ అయితే 7. ఓకే, ఏదైనా కరెక్టే. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. 1 మార్క్. Now write the set builder form of the given set. Given set is what here? A is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Here no denominator means can we take it as 1? Yes, obviously. Can you notice any common property? Yes, previous one. You can observe clearly all the numerator values are 1 but denominators are changing. What is standard? Numerator is standard. What is changing? Denominator is changing. So numerator standard as 1, So I am writing 1 by denominator is changing, so we have to use the variable x. This is a form, students, so don't confuse. This is form. Now we have to describe about this x. ekkada start ayindi 1 తో start ayindi, ekkada end ayindi 5 తో end ayindi. So x such that x belongs to n and x less than or equal to 5, because end with 5, so less than or equal to 5. If you want less than only, you can write less than 6, not 5 there. Okay students, let's go for next one. Now Rahul said that x such that 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 where x belongs to n, empty set. Justify your answer. Is this correct or not? You have to justify. Given problem in the set Bellra form, 2x plus 3 is equal to given 5 plus 3 transpose minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So value of x is equal to into 2 transpose by 2 table 2 ones. Value of x is equal to 1. Isn't it? Here given x belongs to n, he asked about x belongs to n. Is it a natural number? Yes, it is a natural number. So x such that we can write one element 1 which is natural number, so it is called as empty set. Are you clear? Sorry, it is not a empty set because it contains one element 1. Suppose if we given same problem 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 where x belongs to n. If we given, this is the question, right? Now 2x is equal to plus 3 transpose minus 3, 3 minus 3, 2x is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, then value of x is equal to 0 into 2 transpose by 2, then value of x is equal to 0. So if you will feel that set contains one element 0, it is called as empty set. It is not a empty set. Okay na? But here we can observe clearly x belongs to a natural number n, right? Here 0 is not a natural number, so we cannot write a 0 element in this set because x belongs to natural numbers అయితేనే ఆ సెట్లో రాయండి. కానీ మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది 0, సో 0 రాస్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ నాట్ ఏ ఎంప్టీ సెట్. బట్ హియర్ గివెన్ x బిలాంగ్స్ టు n, న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ అయితేనే రాయండి. కాబట్టి 0 ఆన్సర్ వచ్చినా రాయకూడదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ ఎంప్టీ సెట్. ఓకేనా? అప్పుడేమవుతుంది, what we can say, there is no element present in the set, then it is called as empty set. Do you clear now? Suppose if we given x belongs to w, then if we got x is equal to 0, then you can write it is 0, then it is not an empty set because it contains one element. So you have to observe first condition and also second condition. First one definitely you have to solve. At any case you have to solve first. After getting the result you have to check the set what it is. Is it a natural number or whole number or rational number? Okay, now according to the given, is it satisfying the element for the given set? Then you can write those element in the set. If not, no need to write. After that you can decide according to the given problem. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయినా ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ డెఫినెట్గా చేయాలి. చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ అనేది మీరు చెక్ చేయాలి. ఎవరితో చెక్ చేయాలి? మీకు ఇచ్చిన సెట్లో అవి ఉన్నాయా లేవా? ఆర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఇన్ ద సెట్ ఆర్ నాట్? ప్రెజెంట్ ఎలిమెంట్ సెట్లో ఉంటే రాయొచ్చు, అందులో లేకపోతే రాయకూడదు, అంతే రిజల్ట్. ఆ తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి ట్రూ ఇచ్చారా ఫాల్స్ ఇచ్చారా ఎలా జస్టిఫై చేయాలనేది ఆ క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. సాల్వేషన్ మాత్రం గ్యారంటీగా చేయాలి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. నౌ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్, డ్రా ద వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ సే మైనస్ బి సెట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అ యూనివర్సల్ సెట్ mu and this is a first circle represents first set, second circle represents second set. So set A and set B. Now we have to draw the A minus B. From A we have to remove B. This is the circle A. Observe clearly, circle A. From the circle A we have to remove, cut this B. So then cut chesam. After removing of this remaining part which is called like half moon part, that should be shaded. right? This is called a minus b. A minus b have shaded using of horizontal lines, so you can write symbol as horizontal line. If we shaded vertical lines, you can draw vertical lines. Okay, next one. Now if a set contains 5 elements in it, find the number of subsets. We know the formula for the number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power n. There are how many sub elements are there? There are 5 elements are there. 2 to the power 5 is equal to how much value? 32. Write the conclusion. Therefore number of subsets is equal to 32. If you have any doubt when you are listening the problem or watching the problem, please go back from, then watch the video once again, then you can able to understand. When you are listening the video, please concentrate. While getting subject, you have to get concentration, and later you can practice one time, then definitely anything you can get, right? That is a magic. Okay, now let's enter into this 2 mark problems. Now problem is x such that x is equal to even number less than 12, prime numbers less than 15. So set A is equal to even numbers less than 12. What are 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10. Next number is 12. We have to write less than 12. So don't write 12. Now set B is equal to prime numbers less than 15. 2 is a prime, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers less than 15. Now what you have to follow? A union B. Set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Union 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Now union means what elements you can write? Union means you have to write all elements. What are here? 2, later in order 3, next number 4, next number 5, next number 6, 7, 8, no 9, 10 is there, 11, 12 is not there, 13. This is A union B, right? A intersection B, set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, intersection 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Intersection means what elements you have to write? You have to write only common elements. What are here common? Only the number 2 is a common in both sets A and B. So you have to write set of 2 only. You have to write conclusion. Therefore A union B, what you got the set, and A intersection B, you have to write the set what you got. Okay, here task is here, you have to write proper elements which are called given from the set builder form. సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్ నుంచి మీరు ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా తప్పు రాయకుండా రాయటమే ఇందులో మీకున్న టాస్క్. ఓకేనా? యూనియన్ మీన్స్ we everybody knows very well writing of all elements. Intersection means we know everybody writing of common elements. The task is not that. Here task is here we have to write proper elements from the given sets. If you left one element, if you take any one wrong element in set A or set B, this is no use, this is also no use. So for writing of proper elements it gives you 1 mark, and after that for finding of union half mark, and finding of here half mark. Right? Suppose if you left any element here or any element left here, there is no value for union, there is no value for the intersection. So here you not written completely, one element is missing, no, so you have to get only half mark. Here also no chance to get anything, here also no chance to get anything. So don't check wrong elements from the given problem. That is the main task, we have to check once again. Okay, let's go for the next bit. Now the problem x such that x is a factor of 36 question, and second one multiple of 4 less than 40. Using of the given two conditions, you have to write two sets. Set A is equal to factor of 36. What is your factorization? Possibility of factors: 1 table 1 into 36, 2 table 2 into 18, 3 table 3 12s are, 4 table 4 9s are, 5 table not possible, 6 6 are 36. These are the possibilities. So these all are factors, right, in order. Right, set A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 18 comma 36. Now we have to write set B is equal to, what are multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 means 4 table, 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 4 3s are, and so on. Less than 40 up to less than 40 you have to write. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 4s are, 4 5s are 20, 24 and 28, 32, 36. Next 4 10s are 40, but we should not write less than 40. So we cannot write 40. These are the elements. After that, you know very well about A union B. You can solve, and A minus B. A minus B means you have to cancel the common elements and write the remaining elements. I hope you can do it. Okay na? Here target is to write the proper elements. After writing union means we have to write all elements, minus means you have to remove the common elements, write the remaining elements. Okay, next problem. Now problem, n of A is equal to 20, number of elements in A is equal to 20, number of elements in B is equal to 15, number of A union B is equal to 28, then find out number of A intersection B. Formula for that, number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Right, now substitute out of 1 2 3 4 terms. Out of these 4, definitely they will give 3 terms. You have to find out the fourth one. Right, now what is A union B is equal to 28. Number of A is equal to 20, number of B is equal to 15, then number of A intersection B, that we have to calculate number of A intersection B. Now 28 is equal to 20 plus 15 is equal to 35 minus number of A intersection B plus 35 transpose minus 28 minus 35 is equal to minus number of A intersection B. Right, 35 minus 28 is equal to 7, big value 38 negative, so minus 7 is equal to minus number of A intersection B. Minus minus cancel, so number of A intersection B is equal to 7. You have to memorize this formula. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is one more problem. If number of A minus B is equal to 5, number of B minus A is equal to 10, number of A intersection B is equal to 7, then find the number of A union B. One more cardinal property formula. Number of A union B is equal to number of A minus B plus number of B minus A, also third one also plus number of A intersection B. This is one more cardinal property formula. Memorize, read once again. Right, now number of A union B you have to calculate 1 2 3. Here also 4 terms are there, definitely they will give 3 terms. You have to find out this fourth one. Here this is A union B that you have to calculate, so these 3 terms must be given. So number of A union A minus B is 5, number of b minus a is equal to 10, and third one number of a intersection b is equal to 7. 5 plus 10 15, 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. So number of a union b is equal to 22. Please memorize this formula నేర్చుకోండి. ఇది మీరు నేర్చుకుంటేనే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. సింపుల్ లాజిక్ you can solve the problem. Okay, let's go for the next problem, students. Now this is a problem. I given 3 problems in at a time. The problem: illustrate the following sets using Venn diagram. This is the first problem, second one and third one. This is type 1, this is type 2, and this is type 3. These types I have explained separate video for this. Okay na? And I have written these sets elements are very easy manner to understand you, but in examination they will not give in this much of easy manner. Okay, let's start the first one. Set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Set B is equal to 4 5 6 7 8. Can you notice any common terms here? Yes. What are those? 4 5 is here. Here also 4 5 is there. Means what we can write? Some elements are common. Then such case you have to draw this type of diagram. Okay, first set, second set. In second case, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is your self assessment, 1 mark problems and 2 marks problems. Please pause the video, note down the problems and practice them, then you will be perfect in this concept. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give a like and have a good time.